have kept working on this day also. Then, so we'll continue with some more problems on the motion EMF. Okay, read the question now. A variable magnetic field creates a constant EMF in a conductor ABCDA. So here the B bar is varying in such a way that it will produce a constant EMF E in the loop, this total loop. That is equal to E. And there's also another loop is there. He has given resistance, the resistance of the portions ABC R1, CDA, this is R2, and this one is AMC will be R3, and there's a meter. So it's an ammeter. What is the meter? It will be like a ammeter, which will measure the current. Now, there are two loops are there, no? So here is what magnetic field is present. There is no EMF here, so there is no field here, no magnetic field. Now, let's have some first, what all conditions given. No magnetic field, here field is present. This is a magnetic field, varying where the net EMF induced in this will be E. So here I'll draw the circuit. So this should be RADC, RCDA. This will be RABC, the resistance. And let this EMF be E1, let this be E2. And the resistance of other part is how much it is? RAMC. RAMC. What should be the net EMF? E1 plus E2 should be equal to E2. That's what the condition given. E1 plus E2 should be equal to E that one. There is no net magnetic field linking the other loop. So what should be the net EMF in it? Should be 0. So therefore, how E3, the E3 should be, shall I put in opposite direction here? And what is the basic condition here? E1 plus E1 minus E3 should be equal to 0. Net EMF induced should be 0. That one is asking what is the current through the meter. Now you can go for KCL, KVL, whatever be that. So let this be I1, let this be I2, I3. Solve this right loop equation. E1, E2 are unknown. So everything answer should come in terms of E only. Write down the equation. So this is, I think, R1. Let me write according to the given symbol. Why the polarity should be like this, E1, E3? Because net EMF induced should be 0. So therefore the polarity we should take in this way. And where is the meter? The meter is here. Let me introduce that meter here. So what is the reading of meter is what? I3. What about direction of I3? Can we assume like this? Anything, no? It's just a KCL, no? Here. Or if you want to put it in this way, anything. You solve it, if you get I3 negative, change the direction. I'll write down the magnitude of I3. So check later on. This is only the idea. So can be asked with more than one loop. From yesterday I was stressing it. Can be asked here. Just I picked the problem to reflect that basic concept.
Sir, how did you write E1 minus E3 is 0?
Because there's no magnetic field here, no. Net EMF induced is 0 in this loop. This is very important, no? Because there is no source of varying magnetic field in this region here. Okay.